So we're in warehouse Perris. Got a couple exterior cams to do today, a couple horns, and I'll be working on the boom, and these guys will be working inside, Hirsch and Fred, on access. The interior is done, and all we have left is 6 cameras on the exterior, and that's it. The cameras will be done today. Because we got a boom lift, really short. See the reach on it? We need double that. No matter how high we go to reach over, we're still about 5 feet short. Get right here. Going great. We just finished this one. We got one on the other street. We're gonna head out that way and see what's up.
That's how you wire it up. Color to color. This is how you stick it in.
Okay, so we're done for the day, Friday. All the exterior cameras and horns are done, and 2 doors left for access. Fred's gonna come by on Monday to do. Yeah, that's it. We're done for the day. Have a good weekend.